Yeah. So, hi everyone. My name is Hanshul Mehta. I'm an open source developer based out of India and currently working as an eBPF engineer at O3 Securities. Today, I'm excited to share a project that I have built for eBPF Summit Hackathon. So, over the past few months, I have been working a lot with Kubernetes, and one thing which keeps bothering me was how difficult is it to understand what's happening inside the Kubernetes cluster network in real time. So there are various tools out there. We have Silims, Hubbles, Inspector Gadget, but many of them either add too much overhead or doesn't give much more enough detail about the Kubernetes metadata, or some of them aren't really real time. This project is actually inspired by Silims Hubble. I really like the pod service maps, and that's how it came to my mind. What we need to build, or what is something that's missing. So I decided to build something from scratch. So this project is called seepod. So what is seepod? Seepod is a real-time Kubernetes network traffic monitoring and visualization tool powered entirely by eBPF. So the idea is pretty simple. We capture the net flows directly from the kernel, enrich them with Kubernetes metadata at user space, and stream everything to a frontend for instant visualization. So how does it work? So here what CPOD does under the hood. So an eBPF program, like an eBPF program, hooks into the C group socket layer to capture packets with almost no performance overhead. And I have built a Rust-based user space agent to process those events, map them to pods namespace services, or any Kubernetes metadata info, and it identifies whether the network traffic is internal or external. Then it streams this enriched data over a WebSocket, and the React frontend visualizes it. So in just few seconds, you can see which pod is talking to which, how how much traffic is flowing, and where it's going in real time. So why does this matters? So this kind of visibility is extremely helpful for debugging network issues, maybe spotting some unusual traffic patterns, or simply understanding how your workloads communicate with each other. And because it's built on top of eBPF and Rust, it stays lightweight, fast, and safe. So I'd love to share a demo, um, where I have built a demo for this video. Hmm. Yep. So I'll make sure my backend is actually running. Yes, it is. And we'll now navigate to the front end. So this is a simple UI tool which I actually vibe coded within few hours to build to visualize what my traffic looks like. So this is a table view format. For now, I have a Kubernetes cluster inside my local system. So this is what the traffic in table format looks like. You can add destination IPs, varieties of filters, source ports, the total egress packets or total bytes, ingress packets. We also have a IP service map, kind of what Hubbles do. But I know it's not that great. I'm still wanting to make this better. And yeah, so you can do everything with this. You can visualize whether the network flow is actually going in real time, and you have pod service map too. So for example, I have core DNS server which are talking to these many IPs, which is actually not inside the cluster. And I have core DNS, maybe a metric server, a local path provisioner, and traffic as the queue proxy. And for the demo, I have deployed an Alpine instance where I'll be running some commands to test our network traffic seamlessly. So we'll first check out what does google.com IP looks like. Okay, so the IP is 142.251.222.78. So we'll do a simple curl command to get the network flow. And here you see Alpine has called the Google IP address. For in the table view, you can of course you can use the filters to filter out whatever you want. And we do the curl command again, and yes, we see more traffic. um, and in pod service, yes, this also works on the pod service as well, the filters, where you can see what pod cost, where did the packet went, which IP did it went to. So this is the IP, this is the pod, this is my pod's IP, and this is the Google's IP. So yeah, that's it for the demo. And um, that's it for the demo. And I really love building eBPF programs. So I built seepod to make Kubernetes networking more transparent and developer friendly. And I'm exciting to keep improving it. Maybe build something similar to what Cilium's Hubble does. Hubble is really great when it comes to scale. And if you want to try it out or contribute to this project, it's completely open source on GitHub. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the demo too. Thank you so much.